if you want to connect your laptop to the TV, first you can do Windows plus K. It will showing the pop-up like here. It's showing pop-up to searching the available devices. If you not getting that, just do one thing. Go to the settings. Then go to the systems. Here is a system option. Okay, in system you can find out the projecting to the PC option. In projecting the PC option, there is a option features. Option is available. You can select that options. After that, you need to do add the features. If you did not find that option, here you can do view the features and search wireless display, and just tick down that option and just do next. So it will install and add that in your machine. Now it's added now. So you can see here the wireless display is adding. So here you can see the installation is going on. After installation we can see the data. Okay, for now I'm stopping till time to install, so it required some time. After that we can continue. We can see now the wireless display has been installed and added. So I will go back once in the system and the system location, and I again come in the setting system location, coming in the project to this, and we can see here we are able to see the our machines. Thank you. Now we are able to see the launch video windows, right? So here you can see the if any TV has connected to that device, and you can connect through this version protector. Okay, so when you have see that like of message, just click on Control S, and that allow the devices which want to the content to be shown on that TV. Okay, now after installation we can check. So here, oh, now you can see my TV is showing here LG Web OS. Now I am going to connect to that TV and I will show. So oh yeah, now you can see same screen you can here also. Okay, here you can see in the TV the same screen is happening, right? On the TV I have connected, so you can check I am doing that everything. Okay, I am working in the laptop, but it's same screen will be showing. So this is good now, right? So we can do anything now. If anything has done in the laptop, it show in the TV as well. That is casting. So wireless displaying your laptop screen to TV is big screen you can work on if required, and you can attach external mouse keyboard in laptop and work as well your work. So it's good now. So thanks for watching. If required any help, just ping and in comment out what if you have any issue. If you did not get any issue or you are getting any issue, just comment out. I will tell you one again process. If not connected, you can check the pairing of your wireless Bluetooth devices, right? Here you can see in the laptop. Okay, Can you see in the here in Bluetooth, right? In Bluetooth you can need to add your devices with clock and device if not working. Okay, so it will work. Thank you for watching. So this is now the good, right? Thank you.